Take a moment right now. Slow your breathing. Let your shoulders relax. And allow yourself to be fully present. Because this message is for the person who has been waiting longer than expected. Waiting for answers. Waiting for clarity. Waiting for God to move. You may not say it out loud, but deep down you've wondered, why is this taking so long? Did I do something wrong? Is God still working, or am I on my own now? If that's you, Jeremiah 29 verse 11 speaks directly to your heart. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Notice what God says first. I know the plans, not that you should know by now, not you failed to figure it out, not you missed your opportunity. God says, I know. And that one statement alone lifts a heavy burden from our shoulders. Because so often, our stress doesn't come from what's happening. It comes from trying to understand why it's happening. We want timelines. We want explanations. We want reassurance that we're not wasting time. But God doesn't give his people a schedule here. He gives them a promise. And promises require trust. When God originally spoke these words, his people were not living their best lives. They were not thriving. They were not celebrating breakthroughs. They were in exile, displaced, disappointed, living in a season they never asked for. And yet, God spoke hope into that place, which tells us something important. God's promises are not dependent on ideal circumstances. They are anchored in his character. If you're in a season that feels uncomfortable, unfamiliar, or even painful, this promise still applies. God has not paused his plan. He has not lost sight of you, and he has not changed his mind about your future.